And good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is Matt with MH Motors, Must Have Motors. Coming back with another unboxing video. This one by popular demand is the Shelby GT500 by Maisto. So I asked about a little bit ago what would be a good next unboxing. You guys basically chimed in and here we have it. So super excited about this video here. This is the new 2020 Ford GT500, Shelby GT500. Basically, it's the most powerful and quickest factory Mustang ever produced. It is having a 5.2 liter supercharged V8 engine. It produces 760 horsepower. That is 234 more horsepower than the younger brother, the GT350. So right here, these are starting about $73,000 with modifications or factory mods, should I say. You are breaking about $100,000 in your wallet. But of course, these 118s, you can have this in your garage, your diecast model garage, for as low as $14.99 from Costco. That is where I picked this up. I recently got it in my haul, as you saw in the other video. I have two more, the blue one and the orange one. So I will be planning to do unboxings on those as well. But here we are starting with the green one. So without further ado, let's get this looked at on the outside and unboxed. All right. First things first, everybody. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to notify you on all these future upcoming videos that I have planned. So on the outside, real quick, we do have the Maisto Special Edition in the bottom right, Maisto in the bottom left, with the scale in the upper right. So on the sides, pretty typical Maisto Special Edition. The back of the box, again, just a couple of descriptions. Here it does show that it was from Costco, and then the back is the same. So bottom, pretty standard. Couple of the brands that Maisto carries there with the info and the QR code and whatnot for this model right here. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. All right, so first things first, very pleased with the color on this one. The green certainly pops. The other colors I do enjoy. The blue one I believe is the unveiling color that they first unveiled for the GT500, as well the orange also is a super good looking color, especially with the black stripes that the orange has. I kind of wish this one would have included black stripes on it, but you know, to each their own, and each model is different, of course. So we'll go around the car and check out the different little bit of features. So one thing to note, the brake calipers, or I should say the rotors, do not spin through the brake calipers on this model. So that is kind of unfortunate. It does have a good, nice emblem for the Cobra. And I don't know if you can see, the wheels are a carbon fiber looking material, kind of a good replication of the actual carbon fiber wheels in real life. Moving along to the back, certainly has a fantastic looking rear end. The quad exhaust is nicely duplicated in silver, and you know, there's a couple of minor, you know, little bit details that they could have been a little bit better on, but it is okay for this price range. And of course, Ford license plate with the Cobra in the middle. And then on this wing, it is also a carbon fiber material. That is a great addition or detail that they added to this car. So, and go along to the front. That is a mean front end. What I like is they wrote out Shelby, accurate to the real life versions right there, and labeled the GT500 in the bumper there in the corner. So the mesh here is not a, it's a perforated mesh, but it does not see through into the engine bay. That is standard, similar to a lot of Maistos, but unfortunate that they don't put a little bit more detail. It does look decent though for a mesh look-alike. I like how they have the hood pins also displayed on the hood as well, with the air vents also. That is a pretty cool addition. So we'll open up the hood here and check out the inside. Nice looking replication of that supercharged V8 engine with the Cobra also emblem on the inside as well. So just a lot of plastic. They could have done a little bit more detail. No carbon fiber, it looks like, either. So, you know, there's room for improvement. All right, so on the inside, there is a lot of black. They do an okay job displaying the Shelby on the steering wheel, those silver surrounds for the air vents, but other than that, not too much more detail. They do have some writing there on the dash, or on where the dials would be as well, but overall, just a whole lot of black in these models. They could have done a little bit more coloring on the interiors, but again, it is a $14.99 Maisto. So last but not least, the bottom is pretty good. There's a lot that have just a full plastic bottoms, but this one actually displays the full exhaust that this model and this GT500 has. It does there show 2020, of course, Mustang Shelby GT500, and the scale made by Maisto there, just the branding. But this is what I like to see, the open exhaust and the transmission and everything that they have under here. So that is a good job that Maisto does. So, there we have it for a quick unboxing and a overlook. I want to know from you guys, what do you like the best about these GT500s? Also, please post what color you like the best out of all three of them. Or actually, I think there is four. There's a rare one also that's black with red stripes, I believe, but I have not seen that one actually anywhere. But out of the blue, orange, and this green one, which color do you like the best? So again, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I have. If you are new to this channel, also make sure you, of course, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. That would be much appreciated. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and we will see you next time.